Hello everyone, welcome to ExamPreptool 30 days DSA challenge. I hope you are enjoying it, right? So those people who are watching, right? So please make it as a serious habit. So please watch all the challenges whatever we are giving. Every day one challenge we are giving with answer. Please go through it, and if you find out at any way any improvement, if you feel, sir, this approach is not done, this is better. If you feel some better approaches are there, because I cannot teach everything, so I taken the better approach. If you feel some other better approach, please let me know. So we will also improve. Yeah. Now see this one. This is a very important announcement. It's a very important announcement. If at all, right, you are thinking that you are weak in DSA. If you think that you are weak in DSA, you are not good in DSA, right? If you think you are not good in DSA, right, you can join in this course. DSA course for placements with internship. You can join in this course, right? From the last 15 years I am guiding 25 lakh 25 lakh students we guided. Me and my team guided 25 lakh students we guided. We will make you so good in DSA. It is a 2 to 3 months course, 2 months to 3 months course. Within 2 to 3 months, we will make you better in DSA. Instead of saying I am not good in DSA and all, my suggestion is please try this course. Guarantee you are going to be good in DSA. You are going to learn. So we are going to start from very basic we will start. From very basic point we will start. We will take you onto advanced level. We will take you onto advanced level. We will take you. It is going to be really beneficial. You can join in this course, right? So DSA course for placements. Go to ExamPreptool.com website. Go to ExamPreptool.com website. There you will see placement courses. There you can see DSA course for placements and internship you can take, or web development plus DSA you can take, or app development plus DSA you can take. So you have the many options are there. You select whatever you want. Only DSA plus web development. Right, next one is DSA plus app development. You can select whatever you want. It will be really beneficial. You are going to be very good in DSA. We are training, right, from the last 15 years, 25 plus lakh people we guided. Let's, if you want, you can see few reviews from our old students. You can see this. You can see this. So one of my student got Apple company. One of my student got Apple company, 31 lakh package. One more my student got Google. Google. So 50 lakhs package. I cannot show all. I am showing only few, right? So that you will get some clarity. One more, my student got Microsoft, 46 lakh package, 46 lakh package. One more, my student got Google. One more, my student got Google. So one more, my student got Qualcomm. One more, my student got right Qualcomm, 17 lakhs package. One more, my student got two students of mine, Utkarsh and Yogesh. Two people got right right Dell company, Dell company, and one more thing is maths work. And one more, my student got TCS Innovator. So I want to show so many people got Google, so many people got Facebook, so many people got Intel, big companies they got. Just I want to show few reviews I show, right? So one more person, if you see Amazon, one more my student, one more my student got Philips. So these are the few things I want to show to you. I showed. So DSA placement course you can join, web development plus DSA course, app development plus DSA course. You will be going to be so good in DSA. Hello everyone. Let's see the DSA challenge 7 answer. Yeah, yesterday I given this problem, so I hope you tried it. So let me explain. Let me explain this once. Given an integer array of integers sorted in non-decreasing order. So one array is given non-decreasing order, means ascending order. Remove the duplicate such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the remaining elements should be the relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Return the number of unique elements in the given array. Considering the number of unique elements to be k, change the, right? So I think this is the some more conditions. Some more conditions. So basically what this problem is saying is there is a one sorted array. Basically what this problem saying is there is a one sorted array. There is a one sorted array. In that sorted array, some elements are repeating. These may be indexes of the array. Some array name is A. So there may be a chance that it is a 10, it is a 10, it is a 10, it may be 20, it may be 20, it is a 30, it is a 40, and it is a 40, something like that. So you have to make sure, remove the duplicate such that each unique element appears only once. So you have to make sure unique elements only should come. And remember 10 and 20. So 10 should come first, 20 should come next because it is a sorted array. So the relative order of the elements should be kept same and return the number of unique elements in the given array. Lastly, you have to return unique elements. So if you observe, you have to make sure array should be like this. 10 here, 20 will be here, 30 will be here, right? 40 will be here. Unique elements. You have to return number as 4. What about other elements? It's up to you. Whatever you want, you can do other elements. No need to waste your time on other elements. So this is the your concentration. Your concentration part is this only. So I given some examples also. Can you see the examples? So numbers are given 1, 1, 2. So if you see the output, it should return 2 because 2 distinct people. So you have to store distinct people. Other people, what you do, it's up to you. You can simply ignore whatever is there, keep as it is. So if you go to the second example, so 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining elements you can ignore. At the end, it has to return 5. It return. So how to solve this problem? And the important thing, remember, everyone remember, array already sorted. Array is already sorted, remember this. So what is the answer for this? I think, let me give one possible solution for this. I hope problem is clear to everyone. If anyone feel, sir, I didn't get this, right? You can comment in the comment section. We will see that if really good advice, right? We may do one more video on that, right? So let's see one time. So this is the array. Observe properly. This is the array. Array name is A. So different languages, different names, right? In Python, it is called as a list, right? So concentrate properly. That is the reason I want to give general solution. I don't want to go specific to a programming language. Just let me give the rough algorithm. So I will give the programs also. If at all needed, I will give programs also. My concentration is everyone should get it. So let's take, I'm talking some normal idea, right? Something like array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, something like this. In this array, so you have to remove the duplicate people. But order of the elements cannot be changed. So what I will do is, one suggestion is take one more new array B. Take one more, right? One more suggestion, new array B you take. Right? Take one more new array. Right? You can take the same size. Whatever size he is having, you can take the same size. Take one more array. Whatever upper size is there, niche size also keep similar, no problem. So, right? So what you do is, these are the indexes. Now what you do is compare the neighbor elements. Compare the neighbor. Because if it is a sorted, you can compare the neighbor. Right? Compare the neighbor. And one more thing, remember. So here loop is starting from 0. So one loop is going on. See what that loop is saying. In the A array, consecutive elements are not equal, then store. In the A array, side by side elements are not same, then store the first person. Then store the first person. Let me write here. Let me write now. Take one for loop. Right? It may be I is equal to 0, I less than, I think number of elements are almost like 8. So because of 0 to 7, 0 to 7. So let me write now. So 7 minus 1, 6 people. Why I kept 6 people, you will get to know. So next one, I plus plus. This loop is going on. While this loop is going on, check one condition. If A array ith person not equal to A array I plus one person. If this condition true, then only you have to store in right. So B array. Then what you have to do is, if this condition true, then B of J is equal to A of I, and J plus plus you have to do. That is a code. That is a roughly code is, right? If you want, you can execute one time. Let me execute. So I value 0, I loop, right? Remember, for loop is going on for I value. So I value 0. So 0th person and first person both are not equal. If both are equal, J story will not come. If both are equal, B story will not come. B array concept will not come. Right? Both not same, then only. So I value 0, I verified, no use. Let's go to I value 1. I value 1, check 1 and 2. Both are not equal? Yes. Then what happened is, B of J value initially 0. If you want, you can keep the J value 0 here. Then B of 0 is equal to A of 1. Right? So this is the I story. This is the I story. I value 0, nothing, no changes are there. I value 1, right? So A of 1, A of 2 not equal. Then B of 0 is equal to A of 1. So this person will store here. Then J plus plus, J value becomes 1. Whenever both side by side people not equal, then only B array will come, then only J will come. So please careful. Now once again. So I value 1 completed. Let's go to I value 2. So 2 and 3 check. If both are same, side by side people are same, don't take. Right? Next one, I value 4. So I value 3. 3 and 4 same? No, not same. Then B concept will come, J concept will come. Then what is the answer? B of J. I think J value is what? 1. J value 1 already there. J value 1. So B of 1 is equal to A of, what is I value? I value 3. A of 3. So 20 will store. After storing J plus plus, J value becomes 2. I as usual will keep on going. Every time for loop is going on I only. Now next I value 4. Fourth one, fifth one same. Then nothing to do anything. So 5. So fifth one, sixth one same. No. Then B of J. So I think this value is 2. So B of J means B of 2 is equal to A of I. I value becomes 5. So 30 will store here. Afterward J plus plus. Afterwards I plus plus. Right? Next one, I value 6. Careful everyone, I value 6. Whenever I value 6, sixth one, seventh one, check. Whenever I value 6, sixth one, seventh one, check. Yeah, both are different, right? Sixth one, seventh one, right? Sixth one, seventh one, check. Whenever I value 6, sixth one, seventh one, check. They both are, sixth one, seventh one, check. They both are different. Then it will execute. Then what is the answer? So 3 place, 6 will be stored, means 40 will store. 40 will store. Afterwards, I value became 7. 7 less than 7, condition fail. You come outside. But remember, last element also you have to store. Lastly, you have to store one thing. B of, as of now. So whenever you stored previously, third place, it became 4. So B of J is equal to A of I, last I. You have to store that also. Whenever you come outside, store this number and you come outside. And one more important thing is, after storing it, again J plus plus U. So J value became now 5. So indication that at the end of the story, whatever is the J value contained, so those many elements are there. So you are already copied. Simply with the help of one for loop, you can do it. Because the array is sorted. Because of array is sorted, simply with the help of right one for loop you can manage. One loop, for loop or while loop or recursion, you do whatever way you want. Loop can be done many ways. Whatever way you want, you can do just with the help of right. Take one more array, B array, right? So one loop you can do. So to this problem, time complexity because of one loop, order of n time. Spaces because of you are taking one more array, extra spaces order of n. This is the one algorithm. So time complexity. One scan because of array already sorted. So I think that is answer for this. Now if anyone say, sir, I need program and all, you can see this program. I think it is a C++ program, right? Nothing is required. I think C also, you can say C program also, or you can say C++ also. The C program and C++ program. So from the main, right? See that from the main, I took one array. So array size, you can count, right? Array size. Array size is equal to, right, size of the total array by size of the one element. So let's see this one, 2 bytes, 2 bytes. I think 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18 bytes by one element size 2, totally 9. So array size find out because you maybe want n value. You maybe want n value. Now call the function. So array you are sending, n also you are sending. Number of people are 9 people you are sending. Come here. So in this function, if you observe, same story, whatever I said, same story. Same story. Whenever consecutive people are not equal, then only in the temp array store, right? This is a post incrementation. After this line over, you can increment. Right, next one, at the end of this for loop, you have to store last element in the temp array. Now lastly you are printing temp array things, right? Lastly, I think some people are, what is the purpose of this one? Lastly you are copying temp people to array I, because you have to convert the original array. So lastly you have to copy back. Lastly, you have to copy all the things to a back, because you have to change the given array like in that format. Array name is A array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all the people copy 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Remaining people, it's up to you. Remaining people already whatever there, you can keep as it is. Remaining people no need to disturb. Everyone copy as it is. Just copy as it is. Remaining people. So nothing. How many, right? I think J contain how many? Those many times only that loop is going on. The only problem with this particular approach is, right, one more temp array you are taken. So to this program, time complexity, order of n time, order of n space, right? This is the story for this. I hope everyone got this is the major story. Major story is, please concentrate here. No need to bother about anything. Just only remaining things are formalities. No need to concentrate here. No need to concentrate here. Yeah, this is I think copying back. Copying elements. Copy to A. This is the copying purpose. I don't think much about this. I think major story is this. This is the major story. Right? This is only for namesake. Yeah, anyhow, we have to do this also. I hope everyone got perfect. Everyone perfect here. Let's go to one more approach. Let's go to one more approach. I think I explained clearly. Let's see the one more approach. Everyone listen. One more approach. One more approach is, see this one. One more approach is, everyone observe. One more approach. Make sure everyone will get it. One more approach is, this is the array. Name is A. One more nice approach. Can you see this also? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Take one more array. Right? See how I am going to do this. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40, 50, 50. Some numbers like this. So now what you do is, right, take one for loop. As usual, take one for loop. Like whatever you done previously, for I is equal to 0, I less than 6, I think. Yeah, 7. I less than 7. Because lastly, sixth one, seventh one, you are comparing. So until 6 only, this loop should run. Exact like previous. Exact like previous. J value initially 0. J value initially 0, I value initially 0. See what I'm doing. If A of I not equal to A of I plus 1, if this condition true, then only J concept will come. Then only J concept will come. Then what you do is, then see the answer. Then whenever this condition is true, what you do is, be careful everyone. Whenever this condition is true, what you do is, B of, not B, there is no B array. Within the same array I am doing. Let's see. A of J is equal to B of I. Sorry, A of I. Previously, I am using a different array. Now I use the same array, J plus plus. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Will it work or not? You can see. Will it work or not? Let's check. So 0th person, first person, both are compared. If at all both are equal, nothing to discuss. If both not equal, then we will go to the right J concept. So both are equal, leave it. Next one. So I value 0, I tried, no use. I value 1, let me try. Whenever I value 1, remember J is still 0. I value 0, failed. I value 1, right? 1 and 2 compared. 1 and 2 compared. 1 and 2 compared. Whenever I compared 1 and 2, so they both are not equal. Then J will come to the picture. A of 0 is equal to A of 0 is equal to B of I, sorry, A of I value 1. So this place replaced by 10. A of 0 is equal to A of 1, I value 1. So storing afterward J plus plus. J will increment. As usual, I also will increment. Now go to the I value 2. 2 and 3, no use. Go to the I value 3. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, yes, both are not equal. Then come to the right, I think J concept. What is the answer? So A of J value 1, A of 1 is equal to A of I value 3. I think 20 will store. Afterwards, as usual, J plus plus 2, I anyhow will increment every time. Now I value 4. 4 and 5 will be compared. Yes, both are not equal. Then A of 2 is equal to A of I value 4, so 30. Afterward J plus plus 3, anyhow he will change. Right now I value 5. 5 and 6 compare. Yeah, they both are different. Again, right? A of J is equal to, means 3 is equal to A of I value is 5. So 40 will be stored here. As usual, J value will increment, I also will increment. Right? So 6 and 7 will be compared. I think condition is failed. You come outside. When you come outside, as usual, what is the answer? When you come outside, as usual, A of J is equal to, lastly, A of J is equal to A of I. I is, I think, 6. Sixth one failed, right? Sixth one failed, no change. No change. Am I right or not? Sixth one failed, no change. You will come out. I value became 7. So, right, A of 4 is equal to A of 7. So 50 will be stored lastly. Okay, that is also fine. Lastly, afterward j plus plus, because you have to return how many elements are there also. J plus plus, I think j value 5. Lastly, return j, which is going to be 5. So first to 5 places you kept your people. Remaining you don't care much. So what I mean to say is previous right. Listen, previous one, this one same. Previously in the temporary array I done. Now in the same array I am doing. As it is same code, same array also you can do. I think using this story, right? Time complexity as it is same, order of n. But if you see the extra space which is also called space complexity became order of 1. Right, same story, I am not done anything different. Right, if you want you can see the story, same C++ program or C program you can say. So if you observe clearly same thing. Let me change the color. If you observe code, same story. The only thing is there is no temp array, everything is same, everything same. At the outer side also same, everything same. This is the major code. This is the major code. And one more, in the previous code, if you observe, temp to A array, you have to copy back. Temp to A array, you have to copy back. Now you don't need to copy back also, because in the same array you done. Right? This is to find out array size. This is the function called to here. Right? Next one, I think it will do it. Lastly, return j. It is returning how many elements. How many elements are right? Distinct people, how many. So that will store here, those only you are printing here. Print those only. Unnecessary printing. Who asked you to print? What is the need to print? No need, right? So if you want you can print, it's up to you. I hope everyone got it. It's a very nice problem. Please take care. Time complexity, order of n. Every case, best case, worst case, average case. If something special, I will say best case this much, worst case this much, average case this much, I will say. If nothing special, you no need to say also, simply every case. At any point of time, if I don't write every case, if that means that all are similar. Next one, space complexity. I think no extra array other than local variable, no extra array you are taken, order of 1. Extra space is called space complexity. I hope you got it. I think perfect.